Longer holding periods are often treated as a natural protection against volatility. Hold long enough, the argument goes, and short-term fluctuations will average out. This belief confuses two different things. Averaging across many separate investments stabilizes the expected return estimate. It does not stabilize the actual portfolio path. A single portfolio moving through time does not benefit from the law of large numbers. For a portfolio with independent return increments, each period contributes its own variance to the total. The variance of the accumulated return equals the sum of per-period variances. Over many periods, total variance grows in proportion to the number of periods. Neither quantity decreases with time. Time adds portfolio variance. It does not remove it. Independence of return increments is the mechanism. When periods do not cancel each other out in expectation, their variances add without reduction. A zero-drift portfolio still accumulates variance at every period. The expected value returns to the starting point. The spread of possible portfolio values does not. Volatility is not a temporary deviation that corrects itself. It is a structural property of accumulation. Consider a portfolio starting at 1 unit of wealth. After 1 period, the range of outcomes has 1 unit of spread. After 4 periods, the range has doubled. After 9 periods, it has tripled. The cone of possible portfolio values expands as the square root of time. No portfolio converges to the expected value in realized terms. The spread grows permanently. The law of large numbers governs expected return estimates, not actual wealth levels. The sample mean return converges to the true expected return as observations accumulate. The actual portfolio value does not converge. An investor averaging returns over time gets a more precise estimate of expected return. The actual wealth at risk still faces growing variance. What stabilizes and what is at risk are not the same object. Time can sharpen an estimate of the expected return. It cannot reduce the variance of a portfolio's realized value along a single investment path. For decisions made by a single investor following one trajectory, longer horizons mean greater accumulated portfolio variance. The expected payoff may be favorable. The realized portfolio path may not be. Time amplifies exposure. It does not absorb it.